Yeah. All right. Thank you.
She like a fucking politician. Happy New Year. I look like a baddie. Like, I'm gonna really show you guys how I got this red hair. I did not plan for this, but it happened, and I'm glad I fucking did. Happy New Year, by the way. Let's get it. I'm using some hair that I've had already. Like, it's one of probably my favorite vendors. I've already bleached these knots once, but I just decided, you know, I'm about to color the hair. Let me do it one more time. Using the regular schmegular V2 and 30 developer. You really want to get it super, super thick. It's like paste almost. I always heard that, what's it called, dish soap works really well, so I'm gonna try that next time. And pretty much, after a great wash and blow dry, I was like, you know, I want highlights. I seriously need your honest thought. Like, if you saw this, would you be like, yo, who dragged this cat back in? Or does it look like, oh, she did these highlights of like red and blonde? I need to know. These were my, you know, inspirations, but it didn't, it didn't go, it didn't work. But I learned a valuable lesson. I forgot that the hair was dyed black. So when I put bleach on it, it literally was turning different colors. I was just doing the dumbest shit. I tried to do highlights. Definitely was going to need more. So now I'm going to bleach this whole head again and turn this hair red.
If you tell anyone about this, I won't, honest. There is a psycho, but I'm not so good at this whole protest thing.
In order to really bleach it and not get on the scalp, I always use a wide tooth comb and I'll dip it in the fucking dye. I'll dip it in the dye and I literally would just comb it through, especially in the roots. And that has always seemed to work for me. For like 40 minutes. I'll call you in 25. I'll let you know if I'm be ready in 40. Bleaching is very hard, guys. Like, this will be a process I will continue to learn throughout life.
Alright,
Giving very red.
Yeah. But would you...
It's a lot! It doesn't look that bad. Work with this. So here with me, yeah. Well, like, this is not the red I was expecting, but we're just gonna go with it. So to get this look, I part my hair. I was giving myself, like, I love my side bangs, like a super fan. Every row, because I need it to be on flat. But what I'm doing is literally trying to flatten the hair. I've just been dealing with, like, not thinking my hair is flat enough. I'm obsessed with Tresemme apparently, because now I'm using my Tresemme mousse. I think this is the first mousse I've ever used for hair, so like, I've just stuck with it. Okay.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, certain people keep it a little better.
Yeah, with the boy, you got a part going on. You know what I'm saying?
Does it look flat?
Yeah. Y'all bad. Y'all. Like what?
Yo, you had baby? I told her, I was like, yo, I didn't have gel, so what am I gonna do? Tell you something that you possibly can't fix? I didn't comment all day. And then we were talking about it the next day or something. I was like, yeah, you know, I just didn't want to say anything because I'm learning.
You took the show.
She's like, silence is worse. Ah! What, looks good now? You're lying. You're right, you don't lie.
I feel like with what I've noticed with color, the less baby hair, the better.
Yeah. I'm dealing with this issue, honestly, and I'm really starting to realize, like, does your head shape affect how your hair is laid on your head? Oh, I'm so happy this hair doesn't look as crazy as bro, when I started, it was looking a little scary. This is how the hair is looking so far. It's not giving all that it could give, but I also don't have enough time to give all that I could give. I gotta go to a fucking Celtics game. But I gotta get ready. I'm gonna do my eyebrows and just leave the house. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.